Until we can't find nowhere for rent. If you can give me a little more time, the two of them get one job, so we have the money and team, but we just can't find nowhere right now.
That alright, just looking at cleaner or something.
Thanks. Don't worry about it, Auntie. We soon leave, you don't have to worry about it.
Alright, Noel, you can give me some space, please.
You know him a lie. You man him look a family. Them now go come out of your house. I trick you.
Them I forgot come out. Cause me not take care of nobody and them bag a pitney. After everything me been through Canada, me not come back this so. Me content with my house and my space.
Tell no I'm sorry. Me dig a country for a look over, so I never did there for clean up the yard and take the XM out.
What? Now you just pay people for clean up me yard and do the simplest task? Are you serious? How long now you come here and do them something here? You tell me say him and him look a fat self couldn't just do this by himself? Hey sir, me not pay for do this now. Me can do this by myself, so you can quick do what you do.
No, you don't pay me, so what I do, what I have to do?
Me say me not pay for do this, so you can go and me do it myself. The boy a slow or something, him not a level of understanding. You, me say me no want you do nothing for me. Me do it myself. I want to you. You deaf? The boy a mad. Look on the pot, things supposed to grow. Watch it. Look on the yard, man. Me can't bother, you know. Me can't bother.
That's why you need somebody faithful to do them something here, and an easy thing for deal with, trust me. A lot of work and patience taking to them something here.
Yeah, talk to me like me, I know that already. I may grow my own weed in our arm tail. And I used to come mess up my thing with him and him craving family.
One thing about me, I like to dwell upon the negative in my life. I just deal with what I have to deal with.
Well, you don't understand. You know, if people are try come take over your house with them and them family. Me work hard for my things, you know, so me feel enjoy it. When I'm supposed to tell people to come out of my house, they're supposed to know that already.
Well, if a family situation, we're not ready to get involved because family are family.
What? Family are big old stinking crosses. Me tired of family. What family ever do to me but ruin my damn life?
That's true. But like when you have bad family, you also have good family. And you can't tell me say every family member you know like or you can't take. And that's true, you must like somebody. But anyways, I have to leave out. I have some things to put up on the road. I know you say no, I'm going to help you, but I'll come back tomorrow to come deal with this, alright?
Around 1810, Samuel Martin, a free slave known as Black Sam, petitioned the Charlottetown government for a parcel of land in the city's west end, adjacent to the government pond and across from the land set aside for the future government house. While Martin was never formally granted the parcel, the low-lying marshy land was seen as undesirable by the city's wealthy residents, and a group of free slaves eventually settled in the area. The land's low value also attracted other impoverished people of Prince Edward Island, and over time the area became a mixed-race slum with a peak population of about 100 residents. A central feature of the bog was the bog school, constructed in 18... Oh, the bell's gonna ring. Have a great day. Bye.
Diana, your boyfriend here? Really, him is not my boyfriend. Stop ramp, alright? He come sit with you now. What you gonna do?
Yo, what's good, Abdul?
Abdul, I heard you're in love with Diana. Abdul already knows that I have a boyfriend. You heard that, Abdul?
Don't listen to her. She's lying, Diana. I don't have a crush on you. I don't! You guys are annoying.
Anyways,
I mean, if you have a crush on me...
what you saying now, Diana? Before this boy really interrupt you? I was thinking about we going to the mall after school, you know? And I can finally get to meet your boyfriend, Diana. The one you always talk about. You've only ever shown me pictures. He is so handsome. He is really... Well, me and him supposed to go out this weekend. What? And you never tell me? We should have did a trip, what you call it, a double date? Why didn't you let me know that you and your boyfriend was going out? How can you do me like that, Diana? We're supposed to be friends and all. Weekend's the only time I have free time.
You really have a boyfriend? Why did you tell me you had a boyfriend? I mean...
Anyways, next time me and him go out.
You really have a boyfriend? Why didn't you tell me? I like you.
I thought you said you didn't like me.
Dan, I wanted to ask you a favor.
Oh, hey, Kyo. Yeah, you can ask me. What is it?
Well, I'm supposed to go on a date with Asumi, but I'm really nervous about it. I don't know what to say, or I don't want to sound stupid with her. You know what I mean? I was wondering if you could help me.
Nasumi? Yeah, I have a class with her. I can help you out.
Oh, really, Diana? I would really appreciate it.
Diana, thanks. But yeah, I'll help you out. Don't worry about it. I'm surprised you need help anyway. You're so handsome. I'm going out. Well, weekend I'm going out with my boyfriend, so I guess we can double date.
Alright, that'll be good. So I'll see you weekend.
Yeah, remember to wear something that's attractive. Stop being nervous.
It's just with her. I just can't think straight. You know what I mean? She's so pretty.
Kyo, relax. Just...
Yeah, I know. Be myself, right? That's what everybody says.
Yep, you got this. You got this, alright? I'm gonna be there.
Diana, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Like, I thought I would have to do this and I would just ruin everything like previously. Like, I just need your... Like, thank you so much, Diana. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it.
You need to calm down. It's not that serious.
Yeah, I know. Thanks anyway. I'll see you weekend.
Kyo, didn't I tell you wear something attractive, not nerdy like what you have on right now?
Honestly, my mom helped me. My mom helped me pick out a shirt. I didn't know what to wear. I was so nervous. I just kept panicking. Does it really look that bad?
Well, you have a handsome face. That's working for you. You're gonna be alright. Don't worry, okay? She'll like you.
Yeah, and your friend I followed it. Well, go on. You good?
Hey man, I'm alright. This is my friend Kyo. We're waiting on his little girlfriend, Nasumi.
It on matchmaker now, eh? Alright, meet up. Nice to meet you. My name is Junior. Alright. When you talk to a girl now, you just have to be casual about it. Don't.
Junior, I go bother try turn the boy into one player. Alright? Him good man, him just have to keep calm. Him too nervous, look on him. Just relax yourself and then you talk to her. Girls like guys who are confident in themselves. You understand, Kyo? Just be confident. And she'll like you, trust me.
Alright, I gotta be confident. Yo, this is going really fun.
Alright, there she is. Hi, Nasumi. Kyo, let's go.
Just relax, alright? Stop overthinking. Hi, Nasumi. You look really, really nice today. I mean, gorgeous.
Thank you, Kyo. You look nice as well. I like your shirt.
You wanna go get something to eat? I can buy you some.
Yeah, sure. No problem. I like a strawberry cheesecake.
I really like your hair. It looks like cotton candy.
Thanks. It took me a while to get it like this.
So, how's your weekend so far?
It's been really great. Me and my mom went to the mall and we did a lot of shopping. We don't get to hang out as much because she's always busy with work. But it was nice to spend time with her, you know?
Yeah, I completely understand.
How's your day?
Hold on to Jordan, I'll get some feed. Hi, can I have one croissant, please?
Matchmaker, look like all of your workout. Look like your friend getting girl. You're really good at this though, man, not lie. Well, anyways, what's going on with you? You good?
Yeah, Mary, still know. Me kinda,
Me don't want to hear it, Diana. Come on, be real with me. What's going on with you?
you just want get it out of me. Alright, me want find one local work so I can make local money, you know? Cause
Dance with me, alright? Listen. I know why you worry about it. Just know something I got there for you.
Kyo. I wasn't expecting that. But it was nice. I really like you, Kyo. A lot. Thanks for taking me out today. Next week again?